Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. So today we'll be getting into this headband wig from Atina Hair. This wig is 22 inches. It's 180 density. And it has highlights in it, y'all, and honestly I love this wig, but we'll get into that later. I'm just showing you guys some products that come in the box. Of course, they're going to give you your headbands to go over that band strip, and they also include a wig cap as well. And even then, they include an adjustable strap if you guys want to sew this onto your wig for some more security. So you guys, let's get into this wig. Honestly, y'all know that headband wigs have been a buzzin', but this one right here was extremely different. All I can say is that this wig was extremely high quality hair, like some of the most high quality hair that I have ever seen before in my life. The highlights on it were beautiful. They had already taken all the brassiness out, and all the hair actually reached the 22 inches. I'm just showing you guys all the colors that you're going to see. This is a 1B/27 highlights as they describe on their website, and this wig allows for a lot of versatility that I will be showing you guys in the video. The cap construction of this wig was amazing, super high quality, nothing just out of the ordinary to worry about. There was no shedding whatsoever, and I really was happy to get a supernatural look and something that was just like a pop out piece as well as like your everyday wig that you guys can't accomplish. So I'm super happy to get into this review for you guys. You guys will be able to see all the styles that I accomplished, so just keep watching. Okay, y'all, so this first style that I came up with, I really just came up with it like off the dome. I really wanted to see if it was gonna work, and honestly, if it wasn't gonna work, I was still gonna show y'all. But the first thing that I did is go in and create my edges, y'all. You can use any edge gel. I use Got to Be Glued. 10 out of 10 do not recommend to use Got to Be Glued. Use whatever works best with your hair, just because this is more like a paste and it is a super strong hold, but you're gonna have to like wash this out of your hair later or use some oil to get it out. So don't recommend that, but lay your edges first and part your hair from ear to ear. I didn't show you guys that part just because I thought it would be too detailed, and most people know how to do that. So then after that, I just went in and I'm doing no heat right now on my hair, so I just went in it and sprayed my hair with some mousse to get it as sleek as possible. If you guys have any gels that you recommend for sleeking your hair back without any heat, please let me know, because I was gonna use some Eco Styler, which most of you guys probably do use, but I don't know why I didn't. I have a huge jar of it just like sitting on my floor, but I didn't use that. This is a really crucial part. A lot of people have been taking their headband wigs and cutting that piece off, but because I want this headband wig to be super versatile, I just flipped that piece underneath and added the bobby pins. You guys can add as many bobby pins as you want. These bobby pins will just hold the headband wig under there, so it'll stay under there. And I only did 2 on the ear side in order to put this into my hair. So you guys are gonna see me installing it just by clipping the combs in first. If you guys want to, if that's not secure enough, you guys are free to add more bobby pins. A lot of questions will probably be around like, can you see the headband wig once you're done? And I feel like once you put on your ponytail, you honestly cannot see it, you guys. So this ponytail did not come with the wig. It was some Organiques ponytail that I just had laying around. It was 24 inches. I'll leave that in the description box as well if you guys want to get your hands on that. Pretty cheap. It was like less than $20. So this is not human hair. This is actually synthetic, but it's synthetic fibers that like take up to 400 degrees. So you guys see me flattering it, and I was just like, oh my god, did I burn it? But I didn't burn it. So it matched with the hair perfectly, y'all, and it kind of just laid over it, and it gave like the highlights a little peek. I thought this was so cute once I was freaking done, and I really wanted to show you guys this. I had no problems with hiding the headband wig after my ponytail was applied, and it was just amazing that you can like mix and match, and I really felt like y'all would love this. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch that before we get into the next style. If you guys are feeling this first look, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit those big red letters below and subscribe. guys, let's jump into this next style. So as you guys can see, I've already taken the ponytail off, and from here I'm just gonna slick my hair back so that I can put on another wig cap. If you guys were to do this initial style first, all you need is like a low ponytail or however you usually wear your hair under your wig cap, and remember to keep those edges slick and the rest of your hair out. So I went in and I took the bobby pins off, so now the headband is adjustable and I can wear it on my head as such. This Velcro strap provides a lot of comfort and really makes the wig feel secure on your head, along with the combs if you guys want to use them. So as you guys can see, the wig by itself, just as the headband, is so freaking cute. It has just a little bit of highlights on the top that accent it extremely well, especially when you put your headband on, and that creates some contrast in color. So I thought this was just really like pop out. Because I only left a little bit of my hair out, I don't really have to worry about my hair being straight and it matches perfectly. If you guys are like me and you have small foreheads, or if you just want the wig in general, you guys won't have to worry about so much of your hair left out, so you'll be able to use this wig as a protective style if you guys want. But this was the second style that I accomplished. This was super cute as well. This I will definitely like throw on and go out and do whatever I need to do for the day. I just want to bring emphasis to the fact that this wig gives you like a super chic look without any effort whatsoever. So if you guys are about that, make sure you check in the description box below for the link. Okay guys, last but certainly not least, the last hairstyle that I came up with for this headband wig, I just did a messy bun. Now trust me, a very sleek bun is accomplishable, and I suggest that you guys put it on your wig cap and brush it as such as I would on my like regular head. You know, just make sure those hairs go in that way. However, I was pressed on time and I just chose to do a messy bun to show you guys that it's super cute and that this is extremely stylable and you can wear it in any way that you want. So of course I took my brush at first, and then I took my hot comb just to make the hairs go in the direction that I wanted them to go. You definitely want to use the back comb for this method, just because it'll give your wig that security in the back. And then of course when you're done with that, you'll be able to put your headband wig over those areas to lay the hair down so that you won't see any of the wig cap in the back. This style is super easy, you guys. Just do a regular old ponytail, wrap it around, and bobby pin it in the end, and you'll be able to accomplish your messy bun. If you wanted to, you could just leave it as a ponytail, or you could even do two ponytails if you're getting really creative. I like this messy bun just because it wasn't like your regular black messy bun, you guys. You know, it has the highlights in there. It's very, very available to see. So it's chic too, in that I just thought it was really cute. I might put this on when I go to the gym or just go get groceries or something like that. Just need to go out the house, but I want to give my hair a break. So if you guys like this, I'll let you guys finish watching how I styled this bun and come back to y'all in the end. So that's basically it for this video, you guys. If you liked any of the styles that I did, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. If you guys are going to try out this wig and you decide to take pictures in it, post those pictures and definitely at me and let me know. I love this wig so much. It's so cute. Y'all will see me in this as my pop-out piece on my Instagram, Snapchat, all that. And if you want more information on that, make sure you follow me at Outlabeled on everything. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I really hope to see you guys as watchers or subscribers of my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.